कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna प्रभु जी प्रणाम प्रभु जी
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
हरे कृष्णा
सर
हरे कृष्णा सर
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी
यस चलो ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
Hey Rohan, flickering stop. You never stop. Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो
भगवते वासुदेवाय
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो
भगवते वासुदेवाय
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namah. Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunivadi Pashad Deshatarine Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Krishna
Hare Rama
Rama Rama
Rama
Hare Hare.
Hare So we are in
10th chapter 37th shloka.
which chapter is this? This only I know. 10th chapter 37. Is the one? Rohan, confirm? 37?
Yes, sir. 37. Yes.
Om
यस
Namo
प्रभु जी
ठीक है ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो
भगवते
भगवते
वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
देवाय
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Vedanta Swami Namini. Namaste Saraswate Deve
Devi
Gurvani
Bhagavani Pracharine.
Visheshai Madhvacharya Hare Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Advaita Gadadhara Shivas Gaura Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Hare.
Krishna Vasudevo Asmi
Vishnu
Vasudeva
Devo Asmi.
Vasudevo Asmi.
Pandavanam Dhananjaya
Pandavanam
Pandam Dhananjaya.
Muninam Api Ham Vyasaha
Muninam Api
Vyasa.
Vyasa.
Vyasaha.
Kavinam
Nam
Kavi
Sana Kavi.
O descendant of Vrishni, I am Vasudeva. I know the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Of the descendants of Vrishni, I am Vasudeva. And of the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Of the sages, I am Vyasa. Among the great things is I am Ushana. Yes, Shri Ram, I'd like to read.
Hare Krishna. Purport. Krishna is the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Vasudeva is the immediate expansion of Krishna. Both Lord Krishna and Baldeva appears as the son of Vasudeva. Among the sons of Pandu, Arjuna is the famous and valiant. Indeed, he is the best of men and therefore represents Krishna. Among the Munis, or learned men conversant in Vedic knowledge, Vyasa is the greatest because he explained Vedic knowledge in many different ways for understanding of the common mass of people in this age of Kali. And Vyasa is also known as the incarnation of Krishna. Therefore, Vyasa also represents Krishna. Kavis are also who are capable of thinking thoroughly on any subject matter. Among the Kavis, Usana is the spiritual master of the demons. He was extremely intelligent, far-seeking, political and spiritual in every way. Thus, Usana is also a representative of the opulence of Krishna. Hare
Who is Ushana? Anybody knows? Yes, he is. Anybody knows Ushana?
No, sir.
He is the Shukracharya. And the priest of the
Daitya
demons.
Guru Shukracharya.
Huh?
Daitya Guru Shukracharya.
Yeah, his another name is Ushana. Okay, he's very intelligent personality. And at the Bali Maharaj, after that, he also understood. He tried to stop Shukracharya, tried to stop Bali Maharaj to offer everything to Vishnu. Correct? You know that? That is the same Shukracharya. And later, Bali Maharaj, Vamana says, "Tell me what mistake he was doing." No, he was not doing any mistake. He himself admitted. But he's an extremely intelligent person. He made the Sanjeevani and he saved the demons. But they were Bali Maharaj almost killed. He made a Amrit Sanjeevani and saved all the demons, even their bodies were damaged. Very powerful, very intelligent person. Okay. So I'm Vrishni, I'm Vasudeva, yes. Pandavas, I'm Arjuna. No problem. Sages, I am Vyasas. Okay, and among the thinkers, I am Ushana. So Krishna is pinpointing something means there is special vibhuti, there is special opulence. Okay, so any question on this? It's easy. Everybody knows Vyasa. Vyasa is also an empowered incarnation. Sometimes he is Narayana himself. This time he is Narayana himself. Sometimes he is an empowered incarnation. Vyasa. Narayana, the Badari Narayana. Any comments on that? What Vyasa did, don't you think it is not humanly possible? Writing lakhs of shlokas, sitting in a cave, and nothing for himself. He is just writing for the benefit of the world, writing Mahabharata, writing the 4 Vedas, writing what is the other contribution? Within 4 Vedas, 100 Upanishads. Then, Rohan, what is the contribution of Vedavyasa? What all books did he write? 4
Bhagavatam, sir.
Vedas.
4 Vedas.
Within 4 Vedas, 100 Upanishads are there. Okay, then
18 Puranas. 18 Puranas, Prabhu.
Yes, 18 Puranas. Then,
Bhagavatam.
yeah, Vedanta Sutra first, and Bhagavatam is the commentary of Vedanta Sutra, part of the 18 Puranas. Then,
Upanishads, Prabhu. Upanishads.
part of the Vedas.
Mahabharata.
Yes, Mahabharata. ठीक है ना? These are such immense works. Each one. Mahabharata is, so huge. है ना?
Yes.
कितना है? Imagine the contribution. Very difficult for us to even conceive. So ordinary jiva cannot do this. See, each verse, you cannot find a fault. एक spelling mistake को दिखा दो देना, है ना?
नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा. नीरज, हम एक पेज लिखते हैं, उसको 2 बारी काट देते हैं, करेक्ट?
Yes, yes, Prabhu ji.
बोलना बहुत आसान होता है. अभी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं ना, बराबर. चलो इसका थोड़ा कमेंट्री लिखोगे, काटोगे, लिखोगे, काटोगे, सब कुछ फेंक दोगे. हमारा ये हाल होता है.
जो लिखेंगे वो खुद हमें ही समझ में नहीं आएगा प्रभु जी.
जो बोला, जो लिखा, फाइनल. Even Prabhupada blessed by the संप्रदाय. Whatever recorded. ये नहीं जरा वापस लाओ, इसको काट देते. नहीं, फाइनल. प्रिंट कर दो, बस हो गया. You maintain such pure consciousness, print kar.
So, Prabhuji, these are all God-gifted people only.
No, he is an incarnation of God.
There are all these people who are coming from Lord Krishna are incarnation of Lord Krishna only.
Yeah. This time he is Narayana himself, but sometimes generally he will be empowered. A jiva which is empowered, correct? Jiva empowered also looks like the Lord only. Because jnana, just like even a guru or acharya, he is also carrying mercy. He is a mercy incarnation. Okay. Main thing is carries us mercy. And you see that Vedavyasa is carrying the full jnana, full spiritual knowledge, and unimaginable. Okay. So that definitely what you are saying is correct. They have been blessed by the Lord to do some impossible work. This is Vedavyasa's work. Can't even conceive. Writing lakhs of shlokas without a mistake and with such beautiful poetry. We can't even think about it, forget about doing it. है ना नीरज?
Yes,
संस्कृत सीखने में पूरी जिंदगी लग जाएगा. फिर पोएट्री कंपोज करो, उसमें मीनिंग इतना ज्ञान उसके अंदर. और लोगों को श्लोक को याद करो, ऐसा मजा आता है कि जैसे, है ना?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, one more thing, Prabhuji. Sometimes, in this life may not be possible to do all these things. It might come from the Punarjanma also, Prabhuji.
Or who?
Whatever, even we people, it not be possible to understand all these things. Those who are like you people, it come from the last Janma, last birth also, continuous.
Don't say like you. I'm only wearing a dress. That's all.
Pardon?
No, like don't say like you. Like you is Prabhupada.
What will it be?
They are great acharyas.
Great acharyas.
True, previous birth makes it easy. It makes it easy. If suppose previous birth you are taken to Krishna consciousness, when you see devotees, you will naturally be attracted.
I have seen one person in Delhi, Prabhuji. That time P.V. Narasimha Rao was there. A small boy, his age of 11 months or 2 years boy, he is reciting all the shlokas, all ragas. You ask any raga, he will give the answer for that. Mother was carrying the baby on the stage, he was explaining.
Hello, we continue, Prabhuji. Now what happens? Whatever you discuss should be connected to the shloka, correct?
Yes.
So, the other people who come to learn Gita, they don't see that we are, we are not focused on the Gita.
That's true.
Let us remain focused on Gita. Anything connected, we will keep developing.
Yes.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you. Don't mind.
Yeah.
Adando Davatab Asmi.
Dando damayatmasmi.
Iti Rasmi Jigi Shata.
Tirasmi jigi sata.
Maunam chaivasmi guhyanam.
Maunam chaivasmi
Chaivaस्मि
guhyanam
गुह्यानां
Jnanam jnanavatavaham.
jnanam
ज्ञानवतामहम्.
jnanavatamaham.
Among punishments, I am the rod of chastisement, and of those who seek victory, I am morality. Of secret things, I am silence, and of the wise, I am wisdom. Yes, the Damodar Pramod Prabhu, happy padi.
Okay, Prabhuji. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. There are many suppressing agents, of which the most important are those that cut down the miscreants, who miscreants are punished. The rod of the chastisement represents Krishna among those who are trying to be victorious in some field of activity. The most victorious element is a morality. Among the confidential activities of hearing, thinking, and meditating, silence is most important because by silence one can make progress very quickly. The wise man is he who can discriminate between the matter and the spirit, between God's superior and inferior natures. Such knowledge is a Krishna himself. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhu. So punishment, finally, लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मारते. Those are tamasic people. They only work out of fear. And sometimes we feel I'm not tamasic, but isn't it true? Unless there is fear, we will not even pick up the book in the exam. Unless there is fear, we will not even study for the exam. Rohan, isn't it true even now? Correct?
Yes, sir. Deadline, sir, makes us work, sir.
Correct.
When deadline
Because why? Because we are tamasic. Sattvic person doesn't need deadline. Tell him the work, will start on the day. है ना?
yes, sir.
But tamasic people need danda. That's all. Nothing makes them work. When the fear element comes, अरे मर गए, अभी तो late हो गया, then we start working.
Yes, sir.
And those who seek victory, I am the morality. This is also reasonable?
Yes.
Biggest victory is morality. Suppose there is a dispute with somebody, but you win on the principles. He has lost. He has lost. That's why even big government, big powerful military men, they may win by power, but they have to ethically convince that they are doing it correct. Everybody tries to show I'm not working for profit, I'm not working selfish. But he has to convince. But if he is immoral, even though he wins, people will spit at him. Correct? That victory is useless. You understand? Hey, Rohan, you may be a powerful person. Correct? Say you're HOD of your department in the college. You say it has to be done in this way and force people to do it. Even though you know it's not correct. He loses. Correct? Sir, why you told us to do this? He has to explain. Nobody can do anything whimsically or, So morality is the highest victory. And suppose you lose physically, forcefully, somebody makes you do something. But you tell him this was not correct and he lost there. He's not able to justify it. That's a loss for him. That's a defeat. Correct? And it is not going to last. There is a revolution. Like so many kings became crooks. A different part of the world. A revolution came and thing was dismantled. Okay. Does it make sense? All the shlokas. Secret thing, I'm silent. Silence is not easy. Silence requires very high level of realization. Therefore people just like Jadabharata, total silence. Inside revolution, all carols are going on of Krishna consciousness. But externally, silent means, we don't talk to the materialistic people. We're very silent. They talk nonsense, they're shouting. We become very silent. I think it requires a lot of realizations. The great sages are very silent. In fact, people become respectable. Great sages are very silent. They speak when they needed to speak. Otherwise, they're very silent. Prabhupada said we should take permission from Krishna before speaking. If we are doing anything, we should take permission from Krishna. In the sense, we have to check 10 times whether I'm going to speak, because once a word is gone, it may shatter somebody's heart, isn't it?
Yes.
So we think is it right, when to speak, how to speak, how much to speak, to whom to speak. Sometimes we want to get angry, so we have to correct something. So to how much to get angry, to whom to get angry, when to get angry, that is not easy. To getting angry is very easy. But to do it properly, it's not easy. Prabhupada used to say so many ways. He used to say, don't reject, reform. Prabhupada said rejection is not difficult, it's very easy. When the devotees came to the movement around the world, so I was studying letters to Prabhupada. So many letters were there dealing. Prabhupada said, no, you made a mistake. You rejected. Don't reject, reform. One person to come to Krishna consciousness is so difficult. Anna? They will be difficulties. Everybody will struggle with difficulties, but reform them. Don't reject. That should be the principle, unless in extreme case. Okay? Of the secret things I am? Silence. And of wise I am? Wisdom. Chalo. Okay? We proceed.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Preeti, you become silent.
Okay.
You
Hare
wanted to
Krishna.
say. Is it clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Chalo. 39. Yachapi sarva bhutanam
Ichchapi sarvabhutanam
bijam tat aham arjuna
Bijam tad aham Arjuna.
tatat asti vina yatsyan
Natat asti vinayasyan
ayabhutam characharam.
maya bhutam characharam.
Characharam.
Furthermore, O Arjuna, I am the generating seed of all existence. There is no being, moving or non-being, that can exist without me. Now who will read this? Raman, Hare Krishna, Raman Prabhu.
Everything has a cause, and that cause or seed of manifestation is Krishna. Without Krishna's energy, nothing can exist. Therefore, he is called omnipotent. Without his potency, neither the movable nor the unmovable can exist. Whatever existence is not founded on the energy of Krishna is called Maya, that which is not.
Okay, it is. Everything is founded on Krishna, generating seed of all existence. There is nothing which is disconnected to Krishna. And in fact, in Chatushloki, he says, if you think there is something disconnected to me, Krishna says in Chatushloki Bhagavatam, know it, my Maya. That's it. If you can see something which exists, which is not connected to Krishna, that's, you are already in Maya. And that is how we enjoy. Suppose Ravana, how he wanted to enjoy Sita, it disconnected from Lord Rama. Okay? That he did it grossly, we do it subtly. Because if you see anything connection to Krishna, you will not enjoy. You know, it's for Krishna's pleasure. Nirbandha Krishna Sambandhe Yuktam Vairagyam Uchyate. If you see connection to Krishna, Krishna Sambandha everywhere, you are a Mukta Purusha, you are already liberated. You can go back to Vaikuntha now. Ticket is ready. What is how we are the advancement? Everything, every situation that happens, Krishna's mercy. Krishna is so kind to me. You see, any situation that comes in life, that's Krishna's mercy. Is miraculous to feel like that? Anything you see, any plant or tree, Sangha, Savara, Jangama, Deke, Natara, Murti, Sarvato Hoy, Ishta Deva Spurti. Everything you see is in connection to Krishna. He sees a plant, and I was telling you, don't just see it as a survival. Oh, coconut tree, I can see now. Because no, that's beauty. Not only that, it's beauty. Look at the beauty, how wonderfully Krishna designs, isn't it? Because we have been brainwashed by Darwin to think, survival. We don't see beauty. His Prabhupada said, you look at a flower, look at Krishna's design. It is, even the scientists are agreeing now, everything is not just because of survival. The beauty is something else. You don't need that. Somebody took an example of the, what is that, more, what is peacock. He said the beauty of the peacock when it is dancing. You don't need that. That's a representation of the beauty element. You look at the sky, so beautiful. But you somehow brainwashed by Darwin, you cannot even see all the beauty of the nature. So beautiful. Anna? Correct? You can just come out of these foolish theories. We can actually see God's, glory. A beautiful rising morning sun in India now. Anna? That's the beauty element of the Lord. Not for survival, it is there. No, not for survival. The beauty. You can see the beauty, then more and more you can appreciate Krishna. So nothing can exist without Krishna. So everything you can see connection to Krishna, correct? Sun is rising, Krishna's arrangement. What an arrangement he has made. Beautiful, a fresh air. Ah, so nice. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. And somebody comes and gives a slap. Thank you, Krishna. That is not easy. We get disturbed for the whole day. How you can do this? He doesn't have at least a basic dignity he has to give you, blah, blah, blah. So more we can see anything connected to Krishna, more we become blissful. Ramanji, isn't it true?
Yes, Prabhu. True, Prabhu.
No, it's not that we don't have to respond. We respond as per our duty. We respond. But now a new situation has come. It's the mercy of Krishna and I have to act. Not that I'll sleep now. No. Situation has come, I have to act. But situation has come, the mercy of Krishna is for my good. Then you become so peaceful. Total peace you get. Hare Krishna, Hemant, welcome, Prabhuji. Okay. Text 40th. Any comments? Damodar Prabhu? तो बिल्कुल लिमिटेड साइलेंट हो गया अभी.
No, I'm hearing.
Okay. नातोस्ति मम दिव्यानां
नाम संति माम दिव्यानाम
विभूतीनां परन्तपः
विभूतीनां परन्तप
एष तुद्देशतः प्रोक्तो
ऐसा
तथा प्रोक्तो
विभूते विस्तरो मया.
मया.
O mighty conqueror enemies, there is no end to my divine manifestation. What I have spoken to you is but a mere indication of my infinite opulence. Yes, Hemanji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
As stated in the Vedic literatures, although the opulences and energies of the Supreme are understood in various ways, there is no limit to such opulence. Therefore, not all the opulences or energies can be explained. Simply a few examples are being described to Arjuna to pacify his inquisitiveness.
It's not that Krishna is proud, it's a fact. Wow, how much he can tell. Just imagine. Eko Bahuna Vidadhati Kaman. Alone he is maintaining all the living entities. So where is a limit to his glory? Therefore, Ananta Shesha is continuously from his millions of mouths constantly glorifying Krishna and no end to it. Isn't it? Somebody whom you very much appreciate, you can speak for hours, even in the metal world. Anna, they do that. So imagine the glories of pure devotees. You can speak for unlimited time. And imagine the glory of the Lord. So great. Eve Jash Gushu Tribhuvana. That's why we want to glorify the Acharya or all around the world. There is so much to talk about. A newspaper is filled of glories of all insects, worms, and people are hearing. Isn't it? TV, simply. What are they speaking at? Whenever you are speaking at glorifying something, now what are they glorifying? People are not fit to be glorified. And people always look for heroes, leaders. Why don't we glorify pure devotees? Sometimes what does happen is some devotee has some quality, but you should be very careful it doesn't become flattery. Let it be totally crystallized in it, then speak. Isn't it, Hema? Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
You should avoid flattery. But at the same time, if something is established, now it has become permanent quality of somebody. Yes, that we can speak. We should be careful not to do flattery. But at the same time, pure devotees, you can take full liberty. Correct? You can speak for hours about it. So Krishna cannot explain, saying, not all I can tell you. Little I told you what we can understand. How much Krishna can explain is limiting himself to our capacity for understanding. We cannot understand much more. Maybe Krishna is speaking to Brahma, he can tell even more because he can understand. Brahma is they say that Puranas for the Devatas are much bigger than compared to us. we will get exhausted. And the 18,000 verses itself of Bhagavata is, too much for us. Suppose it is 1 million verses, faint, है ना? इस जिंदगी तो पता नहीं कितना जिंदगी लगेगा पढ़ने में. And actually it is true. But the Devatas, it is much bigger because they can handle now. आपको तो क्या होगा? इतना बड़ा ये भागवत. That's why many people don't read even Bhagavatam. They say कि सारांश पढ़ ले क्या? नहीं, don't read सारांश. Read the whole Bhagavatam.
9 o'clock class is only, sir, beyond my capability, sir.
Which one?
The 9 o'clock class itself is beyond my mental capability.
So beautiful it is, huh?
Okay.
No, there's very nice Damodar Prabhu, such amazing devotees from Salala. So pleasurable. Yesterday night we read Krishna being taken from Akrura is taking Krishna. If we get time, the recording I've shared. I don't know whether I've shared. I think I have shared already. I shared in YouTube and Facebook. I have to share it. Yeah, YouTube and Facebook में share करते हैं. Okay, so I can share another. So beautiful. So, that we are just tasting because Krishna is so dear to the gopis, and the gopis have come all in the morning, and they are fainting there. Krishna is going to go. Just we're feeling unqualified to even read that. Such intense, pure love for Krishna. Krishna is going to go. And some of them faint there in front of the chariot. They can't believe. And Bhagavatam writes even Krishna's condition becomes pitiable, seeing that their position. But Krishna is, actually going to enhance their pleasure. The so-called meditation on Krishna is painful when Krishna goes away, but it enhances. Krishna only helps his pure devotee. There is no need for Krishna to give pain to his pure devotee. He never gives. And also he never leaves Vrindavan. Anyway, that's another. Let us go back, 41st verse. Yad yad vibhuti mat sattvat
Yad yad
vibhuti matsattvam
Shrimat purjitam eva va
Srimad Purjitam eva va
Tat eva avagachatvam
Tat eva avagachatvam.
कौन सा चिड़िया है धर्मेश जी?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe.
हाँ?
It is not seen. Maybe somewhere over the roof.
मम तेजो अंश संभवम.
Mama Tejo Amsa Sambhavam.
Oh, that all beautiful, glorious, and mighty creation spring forth from a spark of my splendor. Yes, what is that now? Who is going to read? Rohan, you'll read.
Yes. Purport. Any glorious or beautiful existence should be understood to be but a fragmental manifestations of Krishna's opulence. Whether it be in the spiritual or material world, anything extraordinary opulent should be considered to represent Krishna's opulence.
Okay. Okay. All the beautiful, glorious, and mighty creations spring but from a spark of my splendor. Mama Teja Amsha. I'm the one famous shloka is going to come now. Okay. All the glorious, anything you see beautiful, you cannot disconnect it from the Lord. Okay. All connected to it. He pointed that with this philosophy, you have to live the philosophy, correct? So when you see anything, oh, what a creation of Krishna. Connect it to Krishna, then Maya will not touch you. And it belongs to Krishna. It should be enjoyed by Krishna. Then also you'll be very, very peaceful. Yeah, this is very, very famous shloka.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yes.
Prabhu, I have a doubt. Even if it is glorious or not, everything belongs to Krishna only.
Yeah.
So why we should connect only glorious things to Krishna? I mean, few days before we were discussing this virus too is connected to Krishna.
Correct. Everything is connected. You are correct. But Krishna mentions some of them so that you can understand. Correct. How big the list will be then? Hare Krishna, Rekha Mataji, welcome.
Hi Krishna Babuji.
Hare Krishna. See, dekho na, I come to your place, Sri Ram. Okay? You're a great painter. What you'll do? You show important paintings of yours, isn't it? Correct?
True, Prabhu.
Yeah?
True, Prabhu.
Similarly, Krishna is very unique that everything is connected to him. There is nothing which he has not done. But he took some important name. Oh, Pandavas, look at Arjuna. Because he's glorious in so many ways. His greatest devotee of Krishna in that team. So in that way, okay? Everything he could have said everything. But then how much he has to take the names. He took some important names.
True, Prabhu.
Okay? In that way we can. Nothing
Okay,
is
Prabhu.
connected, yes. Not only the glorious thing. Okay, this is point is fine. Damodar Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, yes.
He is saying that don't only connect, everything is connected to Krishna.
Yes,
But then why did Krishna list only few? That's the question. Rekha Mataji.
The most important thing we are.
Yes, Rekha Mataji, what do you say? Why did Krishna pick up only few of them if everything is connected to Krishna? He said among doctors and I am Rekha Mataji. He could have said.
Oh, probably like he's best out of best.
Yes, he selected something to show. See, a good son also glorifies the father. He may say, I have 100 children. No, he represents me because he feels so proud by his wonderful qualities. So Krishna took out different, all vibhutis, all this is vibhutis of the Lord. Okay, the final shloka of this chapter, amazing shloka. Athava bahunetena
अथवा बहुनेतेना
Kinyatena tavarjuna
किञ्जातेन तव अर्जुन
Vishtavyaham idam Krishnam
Vishtabhyaham idam Krishnam
Ek amshena sito jagat.
ekasena sito jagat.
But what need is there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe. Amrita Mataji, would like to read?
Yes, Prabhuji. Perfect. The Supreme Lord is represented throughout the entire material universes by his entering into all things as the Super Soul. The Lord here tells Arjuna that there is no point in understanding how things exist in their separate opulence and grandeur. He should know that all things are existing due to Krishna's entering them as Super Soul. From Brahma, the most gigantic entity, on down to the smallest ant, all are existing because the Lord has entered into each and all and is sustaining them. Worship of demigods is discouraged herein because even the greatest demigods like Brahma and Shiva only represent part of the opulence of the Supreme Lord. He is the origin of everyone born and no one is greater than him. He is Samata, which means that no one is superior to him and that no one is equal to him. In the Vishnu mantra, it is said that one who considers the Supreme Lord Krishna in the same category with demigods, be they even Brahma or Shiva, becomes at once an atheist. If, however, one thoroughly studies the different descriptions of the opulences and expansions of Krishna's energy, then one can understand without any doubt the position of Lord Sri Krishna and can fix his mind in the worship of Krishna without deviation. The Lord is all-pervading by the expansion of his partial representation, the Super Soul, who enters into everything that is. Pure devotees therefore concentrate their minds in Krishna consciousness in full devotional service. Therefore, they are always situated in the transcendental position. Devotional service and worship of Krishna are very clearly indicated in this chapter in verses 8 to 11. That is the way of pure devotional service. How one can attain the highest devotional perfection of association with the Supreme Personality of Godhead has been thoroughly explained in this chapter.
Okay. Everybody is so beautiful. Thank you, Mataji. That is the way of pure devotional service. So first thing in this Vibhuti, what does Prabhupada say? The Lord enters, Ek Amshena Sito Jagat. Oh, how much I tell you, Arjuna. Actually, I tell you, Arjuna, with all the opulence that I told you, is for that one Paramatma, which is an expansion of mind. Ek Amshena. How much I tell you about myself. It's not pride, it's a fact. I told you that famous example. One professor came to me, the devotee Rasaraj Prabhu, and he came to the Bombay temple and he said that, I want to talk to somebody. So they said, what are you? I'm a professor in, some important university. And then, take him to Rasaraj Prabhu. He'll put him in the right place. So I went to him and said, I read Bhagavad Gita. He said, yes. And I feel your Krishna is very proud. He said, okay, what do you do? He said, I'm a professor in this university. What if I tell you you're a peon? No, that will not be correct. I'm a professor. Then what's wrong when Krishna says, what do I do, Arjuna? One amsha of mine, I pervade the whole universe. Correct? But at the same time, Krishna is the chariot driver of Arjuna. Correct? Where is the pride? He just, how it is, he becomes the doorkeeper of Bali Maharaj. Isn't it? So he says, I am the, this is a fact. He is the maintaining the whole creation. Even in your body, if it doesn't enter, you will collapse. You can't move. He's standing as Paramatma in the heart, and therefore everything is happening. All things are existing to do. Krishna is entering them as super soul. Nothing can act, because matter will move only by Krishna's will. You just jiva sit and desire. That's all. Okay? Krishna has entered each one of them and is sustaining them. He is noting, fulfilling their desires, noting all their desires, supplying all the ingredients for their enjoyment, and waiting. If you want to be independent of Krishna, he is giving you the opportunity. You can't be independent of him in any way. So foolish idea that is. Okay, a small child, say, walks out of the house, what he can do? He's an idiot. But then father is walking behind him. No, I don't want to see your face. Okay. Then he goes somewhere, then the father pays to the fellow restaurant for this. He doesn't know actually father is the one who paid for me. Oh, I did it. See, I did. He doesn't know everything he is behind. Even though he's made, and at the same time he's tolerating. We are so often we don't want to see his face. Krishna is just waiting. All are existing because Lord has entered each one of them and is sustaining them. And this is for Shloka, the Brahma and Shiva, even if worshipping Brahma and Shiva, even though they are great devatas. Samatta, Sapashadi Bhaved, Dhruvam, he becomes an atheist. Brahma Rudradi Devataha, Sapashadi Bhaved Dhruvam. Rohan, get the Shloka. Sapashadi Bhaved Dhruvam. Yastu Narayana Deva, Brahma Rudradi Devataha, Samatvena Viksheta, Sapashanti Bhaved Dhruvam. So if you compare Narayana even to Brahma and Shiva, who are so great, you become an immediate great offender. How we can compare? How we can compare Lord to? So many people do not know how great Krishna is. Therefore, they compare with the Devatas or themselves also. They represent only part of the opulence of the Lord, the origin of everything born. And no one is greater than him. He is Samata. No one is superior.
So Prabhuji, atheist and Mayavadi both are equal.
Yeah, an offender. Sapashandi. Pashandi means if he comes to a religious function, he should be driven away. Such an offender he is. If you see his face, you should take bath immediately. These are all, behavior when you see a Pashandi. You understand? Just like, say, we are now enjoying reading Bhagavad Gita. Okay, na? Suppose that somebody who hates Krishna, my God, we can't do that. Now his very presence will disturb the whole discussion. Correct? The Pashandi is not allowed to participate in anything. And if you see him, we take bath immediately with the same clothes on. We jump into the river with the same clothes on. It is considered so inauspicious to see somebody who is envious of the Lord. And the fact is, we do have envy for the Lord to some extent in our heart. Why we are not surrendering? But it will go away. Asura, there are the 4 reasons we don't surrender to Krishna. What are they? Why don't we do one thing now? Whole chapter we go through the meaning. Anil?
Yes, sir.
And because Prabhupada is trying to summarize the chapter, we have almost forgotten what he read in this chapter. Should we do that? Who is going to read? Rekha Mataji?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah. We'll give you this. You read the translations just quickly. You're all. We will not discuss anything. Okay, just read because we finished one chapter. We have almost forgotten what we read. Yes, Mataji, the translation.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. The Supreme Lord said, "My dear friend, mighty armed Arjuna, listen again to my supreme word, which I shall impart to you for your benefit and which will give you great joy. Neither the host of demigods nor the great sages know my origin, for in every respect I am the source of demigod and the sages. He who knows me as unborn, as beginningless, as the supreme Lord of all the world, he, undeluded among men, is freed from all sins. Intelligence, knowledge, freedom from doubt and delusion, forgiveness, truthfulness, self-control, calmness, pleasure and pain, birth, death, fear, fearlessness, non-violence, equanimity, satisfaction, austerity, charity, fame, and infamy are created by me alone. The 7 great sages, and before them the 4 other great sages and the Manus, progenitors of mankind, are born out of my mind, and all the creatures in this planet descend from them. He who knows in truth this glory and power of mine engages in unalloyed devotional service. Of this there is no doubt. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who know this perfectly engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. The thought of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are surrendered to me, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss, enlightening one another and conversing about me. To those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they come to me. Out of compassion for them, I, dwelling in their heart, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Arjuna said, "You are the supreme Brahman, the ultimate, the supreme abode and the purifier, the absolute truth and the eternal divine person. You are the primal God, transcendental and original, and you are unborn and all-prevailing beauty." All the great sages such as Narada, Ashita, Devala, and Vyas proclaim this of you, and now you yourself are declaring it to me. O Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither gods nor demons, O Lord, know thy personality. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own potencies, O origin of all, lords of all beings, God of gods, O Supreme Son, Lord, Supreme Person, Lord of the universe. Please tell me in detail of your divine powers by which you pervade all these worlds and abide in them. How should I meditate on you? In what various forms are you to be contemplated, O blessed Lord? Tell me again in detail, O Janardhan, of your mighty potencies and glories, for I never tire of hearing your ambrosial words. The blessed Lord said, "Yes, I will tell you of my splendor now, for my opulence is limitless."
I am the self.
I am the self, O Buddha. I am the self, O Buddhakesha, seated in the heart of all creatures. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all the beings. Of the Adityas, I am Vishnu. Of lights, I am the radiant sun. I am the Marichi of the Maruts and
No, Mataji, we can't hear. Among the stars.
the stars, I am the moon. Among the stars, I am the moon.
Yes, of the Vedas.
Of the Vedas, I am the Samveda. Of the Vedas, I am the Samveda. Of the demigods, I am the Indra. Of the senses, I am the mind. And in the living beings, I am the living force, knowledge. Of all the Rudras, I am the Lord Shiva. Of the Yakshas and Rakshasas, I am the Lord of wealth, Kuberas. Of the Vasus, I am the fire, Agni. And of the mountains, I am Meru. Of priest Arjuna, know me to be the chief Brihaspati, the lord of the devotion. Of general, I am the Skanda, the lord of war. And the bodies of water, I am the ocean. Of the great sages, I am Bhrigu. Of vibration, I am the transcendental Om. Of sacrifices, I am the chanting of the holy names, Japa. And of the immovable things, I am the Himalayas. Of all trees, I am the holy fig tree, and among the sages and the demigods, I am Narada. Of the singers of the god Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha, and among perfected beings, I am the sage Kapila. Of horses know me, Uchashrava, who rose out of the ocean, born of the elixir of immortality. Of lordly elephants, I am Eravat, and among men, I am the monarch. Of weapons, I am a thunderbolt. Among cows, I am the Surbhi, giver of abundant milk. Of procreators, I am Kandarpa, the god of love, and serpents, I am Vasuki, the chief. Of the celestial Naga snakes, I am Ananta. Of the aquatic deities, I am Varuna. Of departed ancestors, I am Aryama. And among the dispensers of law, I am Yama, lord of death. Among the Daitya demons, I am devoted Prahlad. Among the subduers, I am Time. Among the beasts, I am the lion. And among the birds, I am Garuda, the feather carrier of Vishnu. Of purifiers, I am the wind. Of wielders of weapon, I am Rama. Of fishes, I am the shark. And flowing rivers, I am the Ganges. Of all creations, I am the beginning and the end, and also the middle, O Arjuna. Of all sciences, I am the spiritual science of the self, and among logicians, I am the conclusive truth. Of letters, I am the letter A, and among compounds, I am the dual word. I am also inexhaustible time, and of creators, I am Brahma, whose manifold faces turn everywhere. I am all devouring death, and I am the generator of all things yet to be. Among women, I am fame, fortune, speech, memory, intelligence, faithfulness, and patience. Of hymns, I am the great Brihatsama sung to the Lord Indra, and of poetry, I am the Gayatri verse sung daily by Brahmanas. Of months, I am November and December, and of seasons, I am flower bearing spring. I am also the gambling of cheats, and of the splendid, I am the I am the splendor, I am victory, I am adventure, and I am the strength of the strong. Of the descendant of Rishi, I am Vasudeva, and of the Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Of the sages, I am Vyas, and among great thinkers, I am Usana. Among punishment, I am the rod of chastisement, and of those who seek victory, I am morality. Of secret things, I am silence, and of the wise, I am wisdom. Furthermore, O Arjuna, I am the generating seed of all existences. There is no being moving or unmoving that can exist without me. O mighty conqueror of enemies, there is no end to my divine manifestation. What I have spoken to you is but a mere indication of my infinite opulences. Know that all beautiful, glorious, and mighty creations spring from but a spark of my splendor. But what need is there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe.
Done. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Passing at just 11 will be a very nice chapter, Vishwarupa. There is when Vidura met Uddhava, and Uddhava told him that Krishna remembered him before Krishna departed from this world. Vidura could not handle that. He started crying loudly. Correct? So if Krishna remembers you like this, isn't it? Is it wonderful? Correct? So he says among that, each person should feel fortunate. Among all the demons, Krishna has selected, okay, Shukracharya. Among this thing, okay, Prahlad. So it's so fortunate to be remembered by the Lord. So Vidura feels unimaginably ecstasy. So Krishna remembered me before he departed from this world. Okay. And for something good, be remembered for something good, not bad. Among the miscreants, I am this, not there. Among the dull-headed, I am this. Among the idiots, among the cheats, I am this. No. And among the devotees, I am Prahlad. So imagine how much Prahlad feels. So we should all be waiting when Krishna will call us to his service. And these are all different opulences that make us more understand. Krishna is all pervading. Everything is his opulence all around us. Yes, please add something. Rekha Mataji, among what you read was the most touching of this chapter?
Prabhuji, it shows the mercy of Lord, whether you are theist or atheist. You are following him. I mean, you can worship him. If you don't, if it depends upon your level of perception. If you can't perceive him as a supreme personality, if you want to, even if in the material consciousness, he is the best out of best. Like in the, if you believe in the nature, then he is among the mountains, he is the Himalaya. If you believe in Omkara, then among the sound, he is the word Om. So even for atheists, it doesn't mean that I worship Lord, so he is very dear to me only. He is taking care of everybody, despite of the fact, even if they envy them or whatever they do them, he never forgets anybody. He take into consideration everything. Whatever, if anything is a nature lover, then also he's supporting him in some way. Is it?
Correct. Perfect. There is no way you can forget it.
Yeah, there is.
If you want to remember it, see, therefore we were discussing, we just have to make a decision that I want to love Krishna. Once you make that decision, it's very easy now. Suppose you say, I want to remember Krishna. How you're drinking water? No, that is Krishna. You're seeing this, that is Krishna. Where you'll escape him. It's very easy to remember him. If you want to remember him, its process is very easy. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, suppose I want to remember somebody. Now you have to search out some picture of that person, remember some incident, and think of the place he's involved in this world. Krishna is involved everywhere. It's very easy to do. Anna? You left, right, center, up, down, no way you can avoid him. No way you can avoid. Just like taking example of a child was run away from home. Now, where he can avoid everything is, if he is intelligent, he can see why the shopkeeper giving you free meal, because his father is paying from behind. He cannot see that. Correct. If you want to see continuously out of love, see why is Krishna also involved in our life out of love? No, he can't leave us. Therefore, Prabhupada says very nicely. He says, Krishna says, you're nonsense. You're trying to break a relationship. This is eternal. You cannot break this relationship. Okay, the way we are behaving, we want to break this relationship. We don't want to do anything with Krishna, correct? But he can't. He cannot do that. No, he loves us. So Krishna is following us, and everything we see around, it is his arrangement, like his glory. We are standing or not, that is his arrangement. We can't even stand on this earth. He is by his power, it is being held. Either you take, like Krishna says, I enter into each planet, or he is holding the earth on Ananta Shesha, correct? Even you can't even stand on this earth. It is scattered in the space. Okay? You're drinking water, you need water for your life. Okay, yes, kept 2/3 of the earth is water. Drink as much you want. You want to breathe, yes, oxygen is there for you. And arrange the plants to keep washing the, take carbon dioxide away so that you have fresh air every day. Every angle you look, actually we can see Krishna's love. You're sitting here, you get nice breeze. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. You can actually feel reciprocation of intense love of Krishna, correct? Even in the material things, you see sunlight, so much. That is also the beam of sunlight represents love of Krishna. Correct? You see, go to eat a fruit, so nicely packed inside a membrane, Hannah. You can't, that packaging, this Coca-Cola cannot do. So nicely packed mango. Now it's the time to eat mangoes in Delhi. It's available, or you're not eating?
No, Babu, it is available. Same taste.
You have to keep washing it, nicely, Hannah.
Yeah.
So dangerous. How was it in your Faridabad? Able to live peacefully?
Now, Babuji, we have stopped listening to the news, so we are very peaceful.
You are?
We have stopped listening to the news only, so we are very peaceful.
But you are going to the hospital still?
Yes, Babu. From now. Today only we will start the hospital. Clinic we have started last week.
Okay. Chalo. Dharmesh is also working now. Everybody back to vacation is over.
Yes, probably.
Everybody is enjoying, all in government jobs, so nicely having fun, isn't it, Dharmesh ji?
Paid leaves, Prabhuji.
Huh?
It was paid leaves, Prabhuji.
Yeah, paid leaves, free vacation. Paid vacation, not paid leave, paid vacation.
Yes, yes.
Hare Krishna. So, okay, nice. It was very nice, Rekha Mataji, hearing for you. You are hearing, trying to understand also, I could see when you are reading.
Yes, Babu. Thank you so much, Babu.
Here, one more doctor is there. Nambarji, Hare Krishna.
Swamiji. Hare Krishna.
You have to thank Rekha Mataji for giving you translation of the whole chapter.
Yes, Swami. So very nice.
Rekha Mataji, I'll tell somebody.
Thank you.
They will cut it and send to you, so you can make your Chaitanya hear that. Chalo, beta, hear this much at least.
Yes,
okay. Take care. Thank you, everybody, very much. Hemant, Hare Krishna. Manish, I didn't hear your voice only. Hare Krishna, Manish. Hare Krishna, Manish. The Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Achar kalpatarubhascha.
Jai.